Just like when I lived on Belvin Court for a while, just after I moved there, the grocery store closed. And then after I left, not only did another grocery store open, the bus actually started going down there. And after my grandmother moved to Seattle for a little bit, the FBRTA bus started going to her apartment complex.
Curse. Have a curse. Have a curse.
Yeah, so I wouldn't.
Hell was that?
I wouldn't have had to walk a half a mile from Burger King. Oh, but we're all tired.
Yeah.
But look, HRT, there's a life on buses after 2 o'clock a.m.
Yes. Why don't you get Fairfax to pull the ridership for this trip?
And this is a new flyer. It's a C FLR something or other.
I'll figure out what kind of bus it is.
35. I'm pretty sure it's a C.
Where's natural gas? I'll look when we get off.
Oh no, it's D. Then
DH.
yeah, Fairfax Connector doesn't believe in CNG.
Good.
Oh yeah, it's 3 minutes after 2 o'clock a.m.
People on the bus.
And unlike Nick, I'm actually going to keep my even if there's a person at the next stop.
There you go.
Yeah, the dining room is closed.
John.
Stop. Yes, it must be nice having buses after 1:30 a.m. Or a last trip after 12:39 or 9:24.
What?
The light.
What? What?
The light.
What about it?
The one that came on when the door opened. Yes, hit him!
Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him.
Yeah. But I already caught him on my camera anyway, so.
Idiot.
Yes. Oh, Lord. Yes, Virginia drivers don't know how to drive, so I have yet to find one in 8.5 years, pretty much. Except for Michael. And my sister.
Better not complain about Michelle's driving or mine.
No, but I do complain about Dad's pretty often. His driving scares the crap out of me. Especially when he can't even keep up with the number one.
Oh, Lord, my. You know what? Oh, my, you know what? How about that?
Fort Belvoir, Richmond, Mount Vernon. We are not that far away, that much I know.